Today, I'm going to show you how to make a carrot sheet cake with cream cheese frosting. Making carrot cake is all fun and games until you break a sweat and shred a knuckle grating all those carrots. But this sheet cake blends sliced chunks of carrots right into the blender, resulting in a sunset orange treat, softly squidgy from the puree and remarkably easy to make. Chunks of chewy dried pineapple and candied ginger stand in for raisins, and the cream cheese frosting is light and airy, a mousse-like delicacy. Baked in an entirely unfussy 13 by 9 inch pan, this cake is begging to be toted to a picnic in the park. Or in my situation, I'm making this cake for a gathering of friends. Well, I can't wait to get all these ingredients into the blender and to get this cake into the oven. So are you ready? Well then, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is vigorously whisk 2 cups or 250 grams of bleached all-purpose flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder in a large bowl to combine. Now we're going to blend 3 small carrots, which should be about 10.5 ounces, which are scrubbed, trimmed, and cut into 1-inch pieces. 3 large eggs, 2 cups of light brown sugar. Add carrot mixture to bowl with dry ingredients and whisk until just combined. Here we go with this beautiful carrot mixture. Oh, look at this golden liquid. Oh, what a beautiful cake this is going to make. Yes, it is. Whisk until just combined. Some streaks of dry flour should still be visible. Using a rubber spatula, fold in the pecans, toasted and chopped pecans. The dried pineapple rings, finely chopped pineapple, dried pineapple, and crystallized ginger. Scraping down the sides and the bottom of the bowl as needed until well combined. We prepared our 13 by 9 inch sheet pan with cooking spray, and we've added parchment paper to the bottom. Scrape batter into prepared pan and jiggle to level the surface. And jiggle to level the surface. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. There we go. Bake the cake until golden brown, and the top springs back when lightly pressed. An instant read thermometer inserted into the center should register 200 degrees in 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, my friends, we checked the temperature with our instant read thermometer, and it's just a little bit over 200 degrees. And the top bounces back, springs back when you press on it. Are you ready? Look at this. Ah, that's one beautiful cake. There you have it. This is our carrot sheet cake. Now we've got to let it cool, get completely cool before we put on the whipped cream cheese frosting. There's nothing like cream cheese frosting on a carrot cake, is there? Okay. Thanks for sticking with me. We'll be back real soon. Okay, my friends, it's time that this beautiful cake comes out as promised. Just like that. Something moved. Oh my goodness, it looks beautiful. Carefully want to remove the parchment. Look at what we've made. Ah, just like that. And hopefully the spirits are still with me. The angels are guiding my hands. we have a beautiful carrot cake. Now let's make some icing. Using an electric mixer on medium speed, 8 ounces of cream cheese and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So now the next thing we need to do is we're going to add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Heavy cream, ooh, that's heavy. I don't know if we're making cream cheese, frosting, or whipped cream. And 1/3 of a cup or 67 grams of granulated sugar. Beat until frosting holds firm peaks about 5 minutes. We'll set a timer and see where it goes. Here we go. I think we're going to leave it right there, just like that. I have to take this cake to a party, so I'm sorry there's no bite shot today, but maybe at the party I'll get someone else to pose for the bite shot. Well, let's see this next step. How do you box up a cake with soft whip frosting on top? Just like this. I'm sure there'll be plenty by the time I get to the party. Carrot sheet cake with cream cheese whip. All ready to travel. You want to come to a party? Bring your bathing suit because it's going to be wet and delicious. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like button, click. Subscribe to my channel because it helps us to produce more yummy videos. And I'll see you in the next video, I hope. Come on back. Bye-bye.
Yum.